720,000 hours of content uploaded daily on YouTube. How much actually matters? While others consume, you'll transform, turn endless content into clear insights. Get answers without the noise. Learn in minutes, not hours. This isn't just learning. This is wisdom, introducing video to wisdom, where knowledge becomes wisdom. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing video to wisdom. Open your browser and search for Video to Wisdom. Click on the official website link, videotowisdom.com, to land on the homepage. Once there, locate it and click the Get Started button. Step 2. Signing in to begin interacting with YouTube videos. You can either enter your email manually or choose the option to continue with Google for a quicker sign-in process. After signing in, you'll be directed to the chat page where all the magic happens. Step 3. Starting your first chat, head over to YouTube and find a video you'd like to analyze or ask questions about. Copy the URL of the video, switch back to the Video to Wisdom tab, and paste the copied URL into the designated field. Click the Start Chat button to initiate the conversation. Now you're ready to ask any question about the video. Simply type your query into the chat box, and Video to Wisdom will provide insightful answers based on the content of the video. Step 4. Using prompts. To enhance your experience, click on the Prompts button located near the chat interface. From the list of available prompts, select one that aligns with your needs. For example, if you want summaries, key takeaways, or specific insights, choose the appropriate prompt. But what if you want to create your own custom prompt? Let me show you how. Step 5. Creating a custom prompt. Navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Inside Settings, look for the Prompts section and click on it. Here you can create a new custom prompt. Enter a prompt name. Add a brief prompt description explaining its purpose. Provide detailed prompt instructions so the AI knows exactly how to respond. Once done, click Create, and your custom prompt will be saved. You can now use this custom prompt whenever you start a new chat. It will appear at the bottom of the prompts list. Step 6. Saving chats. After finishing a productive session, don't forget to save your chat for future reference. Click the Save button next to the chat window. Select an existing collection or create a new one to organize your saved chats. Confirm by clicking Save Again. Your chat is now securely stored in your account. Step 7. Syncing with Readwise. If you're a fan of knowledge management tools like Readwise, here's how you can integrate it with Video to Wisdom. Go to Settings, Readwise Sync. Open a new tab and log in to your Readwise account to retrieve your access token. Copy the token and paste it into the designated field on the Video to Wisdom settings page. Next, click on Add Collections and select the chats you wish to sync. Finally, enable both Sync Existing Chats and Sync New Chats to ensure seamless integration. Your chats are now synced with Readwise, making it easier than ever to revisit and reflect on your insights. Ready to transform content into wisdom?